Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this sink clog that I had to fix. As you can see, we have some electrical tape which was used as thread tape and also was taped over the joints and stuff to make sure that there are no leaks, but that obviously backfired, and the reason why all of this happened is because the tenants threw some oil down the drain. Now this is one of my friend's house, so I had to get this done as soon as possible so their tenants can get back to using this again. The first thing I did is I took everything apart under the sink because all those threads, they're gone, and I couldn't reuse them because they were pretty much damaged by the oil and also the tape that was threaded on. So all those threads were just gone, and the pipes they just weren't worth saving. So I basically replaced all the pipes. Before I did that, I basically went ahead and snaked the clog out of the line. I think I had to snake around 25 feet down just to make sure that there's nothing in the way when I put this back together. Then I went to Home Depot and got the replacement parts, and I applied proper thread tapes and put everything back together with the new PVC. And through this process, all I had to make sure is everything stays the same. So I used the old setup as a reference and cut new pipes to the same length and everything, and put everything back like how it was and how it is supposed to be, without the electrical tape, of course, and the oil. After that, I basically made sure that there are no leak under the sink, and also the water is flowing freely without any clog. That's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.